Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple TV. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who want to reset their Apple TV. Maybe it's not working, maybe they just need to make it load up faster because they haven't reset it in a while. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're going to go into your settings tab over here. So click on settings right over here. And then from here, you want to click on the button that says system. So go ahead and click on system. And then from here, you're going to see this reset option. This located under maintenance. And so once you actually click on reset, you're going to get this prompt here where you need to select reset to restore your Apple TV to factory settings and erase all settings and information. So with that, select reset and update to restore your Apple TV to factory settings, erasing all settings and information, and update to the latest iOS version. So make sure that you do want to reset your Apple TV, and this is how you do it. Just make sure that you're confirming with this, just because once you do, all of your apps are going to be reset. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.